Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, my IT Lab Tutor. Today I am going to start Excel 3A and 3B simulation exam. In cell 6, create a formula to divide the value in cell B6 by B15. Here is our cell cell C6. Now I am going to apply the formula is equal to B6 divided by B15 and make sure value in B15 to absolute. Now I am going to applying the absolute reference for the cell B15. I find the value, you can see here. It's the major exam for Excel 3A and 3B simulation exam. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam for my many students. Copy the formula from C7 to C14. You can see here, I copied the formula. Format the cells C6 to C14 with percent style with 0 decimal. Now I am going to apply the format the cell. You can see here, format the cell C6 to C14 with 0 decimal places. Here I already selected the ranges. Here is our decimal places. Here is increase and decrease. Here is increase and decrease. You can see here. Sorry, percentage style. Now I am going to apply the percent style and decimal place is 0. Okay, you can see here, format the C6 to C14 with the percent style with 0 decimal and centered. Okay, I centered. I have done the step number 1. Now I am going to move for the question number 2. Create a 3D pie chart using the ranges. Now I am going to create a pie chart by using the ranges A6 to A14. Here is A6 to A14. I am going to select the ranges. I select a range and control and using the C6 to C14. Now I am going to select the other ranges as C6 to C14. So C6 to C14. You can see here I selected the ranges. Now I am going to draw a pie chart, 3D pie charts. Insert. Here is pie chart. Here is 3D pie chart. You can see here. Now move the pie chart to a new sheet name and new sheet name. Now I am going to move the chart to its new sheet name and the name of the new sheet is survey result. Okay, you can see here. Here I am going to copy it. Move this chart. Here is the new sheet. Copy and paste survey result and OK. I moved the chart to a new sheet. I have done the question number 2 for this exam. Now I am going to do the question number 3. As the chart title, type customer survey. Now I am going to do the next step. My next step is now I am going to apply the chart title. You can see here. As customer, TOME, customer survey. Okay. To the chart title, apply the word art style, fill blue, asset color 1 shadow. Okay, now I am going to apply the word art style here in the format. You can see here, here is word art style. You can see here, and the word art style is blue asset 1 color 1 shadow. Here is fill blue color 1 asset 1. Okay, I applied the word art style. Change the font size of the chart title to 16 and then select the chart title. Okay, now I'm going to increase the font title. Font title is in our home tab. Now I'm going to increase the font title to the 16. You can see here I increase the font title and deselect the chart. Okay, I have done the question number 3. If you need the solution of this exam, if I have done this exam many times, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Now I am going to remove the legend from the chart. I am going to remove the legend. Here is our legend. I remove. You can see here at data label position in the outside and the end of the slice on the pie chart, and then format the data label so only the category name and person. Okay, now I am going for the move the data label position. First of all, at the data label position outside, move outside and position. No, and then format the data label so that only category name and percentage. Now I am going to add the data label, category name and percentage. You can see here, and remove the leader lines and close the format. Okay, remove the leader lines. Okay, now I am going to remove the leader line and close the task pane. Sorry. percentage are applied, remove the reader line and close the data label. So only the category name and the percentage are applied, remove the reader line, show reader, remove the reader line and close the format data pane. Why it's showing error? Add the data label position in the center. Okay. Outside and position already selected, and then the format the data label, so the only the category name and the percentage. Okay, only the category name and the percentage, remove the value. Okay, now you can see here I have done. Format the data label with bold, italic and shade fonts. Now I am going to formatting the data label. Bold, here is I am going to bold, italic and change the font size to 11. You can see here I am going to do the simulation exam Excel 3A and 3B. I have done the question number 4. Now I am going for the next one. Use the format data series pane, apply the first bevel. Now I selected the chart. Here in more option, here is our 3D format. You can see here. Now I am going to apply the 3D format. Pie chart, height for the width and height in the order 512, 512 for the top bevel, 512, and apply the same effect to the bottom of the pie chart with the width and height 512. Okay, 512 and 512. Okay, you can see here. Now change the surface material of the chart to metal force material under standard. Do not close the formatter. Okay, here is our material and force material in the standard. Force material under standard. Here is standard and here is force. Okay, do not close the task pane. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going for the next question. To the pie chart, apply the perspective under left perspective shadow under the perspective in the first row. The first shadow key, keep the format data series task pane open. Okay, to the pie chart, apply the perspective under the left. Okay. To the pie chart under the present shadow. Apply the perspective upper the left present shadow under present shadow in the first row, first shadow style, keep the format. Now I am going to apply the shadow style for the pie chart. Here is our shadow. You can see here. Upper left present shadow, upper present in the first row, the first shadow style. Under present in the first under present. Okay, here is our perspective. First shadow style. You can see here I have done. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam for many times for my many students. Now I am going to change the angle of first slide. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to change the angle for the first slide. Here is our angle for the first slide is 250 degree. Okay, you can see here angle for the first slide have done. Explosion of the entire slides for the 15 degree, leave the format data pane task pane open. Okay, now I'm going to point of explosion is here 15 degree. You can see here. Now I'm going to increase the point explosion 15 degree. I'm going to 15 degree. Okay, and leave the format task pane open. Okay, explode and then okay, sorry, first I'm going to select the internet search slice. Internet search slice. Where is internet search slice? Okay, here is our internet search slice. After selecting, okay, have done. Okay, change the fill color of the internet search slice to gradient fill present bottom spotlight as and 4 in the fourth row. The fourth gradient continue to leave the text. Okay, now I'm going to fill the color for the internet search slice. Fill color. Here is the fill color, gradient fill color, and the gradient fill present bottom spotlight as and 4 in the fourth row. Fourth gradient continue to leave the task pane. Okay, the present asset 4 in the fourth row. Light green and asset present gradient field ascent 4 in the fourth row. The fourth gradient continue. Change the fill color of the net search slice to the gradient fill present. Gradient fill present bottom spotlight ascent 4 in the fourth row. Okay, continue the task pane open. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for many time. Okay, gradient fill color present gradient top spotlight, sorry, medium bottom spotlight asset 4. Okay, I have done. Format the chart area with gradient fill using the present gradient top spotlight asset 6. Now I am going to format the chart area. Here is our chart area. Format chart area already selected. Gradient fill present top spotlight asset 6. Okay, now I am going to fill color for the chart area bottom, and here is medium top spotlight asset 6. Okay, I have done. Now I am going to move for the next point. Apply a border to the chart area using the color black text 1. Okay, now I am going to apply the border. Apply a border to the chart area. Now I am going to apply the border for chart area. Here is border. Using the color black text 1. Apply a border to the chart area using the color black text 1. Okay, black text 1. Here black text 1. Okay, I have done. Close the chart area pane. I closed. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for my many students with 100% grades. Okay, display the analysis sheet and in cell B6 change the value to 100%. No, here I'm going to change the sheet. Here is my analysis sheet. No, I'm going to change the value in cell B6. Here is B6. B6 value 79 to 100. Okay. Display the survey result sheet. View the change to the percentages. Survey result sheet. Okay. On the analysis worksheet, click B15 and use quick and determine the number of internet sites in B7 would change in the value. Now I am going to apply the quick goal seek. Okay. On the analysis worksheet, here is the analysis worksheet already active. Click insert to B15. B15. Now I am going to apply the goal seek. Here is our goal seek. Cell B15 to value. Set number of the internet size in cell B7 would change the value in B15 to 2000 by changing the cell into B7. Okay. With cell B15 selected, apply as and for themed cell style. Now I'm going to apply the theme cell style. With the B15 selected, already apply the as and for theme cell style. Okay, here is home cell style, asset 4 theme cell style, asset 4 theme cell style. Okay, have done. I have done this question number 11. Now I'm going to move for the next question. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for my many students. Okay. Okay, on the analysis sheet, insert a footer with the now here analysis sheet already active. Here is page layout. Now I'm going to insert a footer, merge and center, header and footer, custom footer. On the analysis worksheet, insert a footer file name in the left section. Here is our left section, file name in the left section. Insert a footer with the file name in the left section and center the worksheet horizontally. Okay, and margin horizontally, center the worksheet horizontally and vertically. Okay, and the page on one page, return the worksheet normal view. Okay, group all worksheet and then view of the first two worksheet is print preview. Here I'm going to group all worksheet. Okay, group all worksheet and then the view of the first print preview. File, print. I have done. Okay. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Now I'm going in the long-term analysis sheet using that formula is equal to start the formula on B6, calculate the percentage with advertising spending increase formula. Now I'm going to do this question number 11 in the long-term analysis. Here the long-term analysis worksheet already active. Insert formula in cell C6. Here is our C6. Calculated the percentage by which advertising spending increase from the okay amount increase divided by increase from the okay formula rate is equal to amount of increase divided by base. Okay, amount of increase what's happening, it's showing some error maybe 2015 to 2016 in the long term analysis using the formula rate amount of increase. Okay, use the format pattern to simultaneously copy. Okay, now I'm going to apply the format pattern from B6 to F6. Use the format pattern. Use the format pattern. Use the format pattern to simultaneously copy the format 822 to cell B6 to F6. Using the format pattern to simultaneously copy the format from 822 to cell. Here is our B6 to F6. B6 to F6. Here is the format pattern. Use the format pattern to simultaneously copy 822 to cell H. Okay, 822. B6 to F6. No, I formatted. Okay, I have done. Question number 14. Okay, now the next step in cell C9, insert a formula with calculate the project advertising spend after the forecast increase in cell 18. Add the 2020. Ensure that the reference is 18 absolutes are references. And in the 2019. Okay, insert a formula in C9 that project advertisement. Okay, if you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Change the value in cell 18 to 4%. 4%. Copy the content of B19 to F19 to paste the value number format. Do not okay. Copy the content B19 to F19. B19 to F19. Copy the content. Paste into B4 B30 B24. Okay, and paste the values and number format, not formula. Okay, now I'm going to paste the value and number format. Paste the value and number formatting. Okay, I've done, and cancel the moving border. I have done the question number 16. Now I'm going for the next step. If you need the solution of to this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for my many students. Simultaneously insert two blank row above the row 17. Now I'm going to insert two row above the row 17. Here is row 17. Insert, insert. Okay. Create a line with marker chart using the range A5 to F5. Okay. Now I'm going to insert a line with marker chart with ranges A5 to, here is our ranges A5, sorry, A5 to F5 are, I selected the ranges. Insert a line with marker chart. Here is okay, line with create a line with marker chart. Line with marker chart. Okay. Create a line with marker chart using the ranges A5 to F5. Sorry, A5 to F5. Right. Here is our line with marker chart. I inserted line with marker chart. Okay. Use the font dialog box. Format the chart title with bold and change the font color to the blue unstruck color. Okay, now I'm going to change the, here is our font. Selected the font title bold and change the font color to blue. Now I'm going to change the font color to blue under standard color. Here is our blue under standard color. Light blue, blue. I have done. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times for my many students. Okay. Modify the label of horizontal category axis chart here in the ranges. Now I'm going to modify the label of the horizontal. This is vertical and this is horizontal. Now I'm going to modify the horizontal angle. Horizontal category axis label in the line chart so that here is the range. Here now I'm going to modify from the B4 to F4. Here is our B4 to F4. Okay. Okay, I modified. Modify the vertical value axis minimum bound. Now I'm going to modify the, here is our vertical axis. Now I'm going to format axis panes. Here is our minimum bound, that is 7200. Now I am going 7200. Do not close the task pane. You can see here I modified the minimum bound for the vertical axis. Okay, you can see here. Change the fill of the chart area. Paper texture. First color. Now I am going to fill for the chart area. Here is our chart area selected and fill color. Not gradient fill. Here is our picture and texture fill color. Okay. Now here's picture from the file. Okay, and inserted. Okay, you can see here. Change the fill color of the chart area with the paper texture. First column in the first row. Here I have done and fill the option. Okay. Picture and texture fill. Here I have selected. Okay. If you need the solution of this assignment, this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Format the measure gradient with the 2-point solid line using the default color. Okay. Here is our default color. 2-point. Using the default color. Here is our default color. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this many times for many students. Select the range A3 and start a tab. Select map. Now I'm going to start a map by selecting the range A3 to B8. Here is our A3 and here is our cell B8. I selected the ranges. Now I'm going to start a map. I inserted a map, field map. Here is our field map. Now I'm going to add the chart title for the field map. Advertising by states. Copy this title and going to insert. Okay. Sorry, I need to type it. Advertisement. Advertising by state. Sorry, by. Okay, I put the chart title. Change the height of the chart 2 inches and the width for 4 inches. Now I'm going to in the format the chart. So after selecting the chart, here is the format height 2 and height 2 and the width 4. Okay, I have done this question. Now I'm going for the next question. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this exam many times. Okay, waterfall. Now I'm going to insert a chart by selecting the range. Now you can see here I'm going to select the range A15 to B17. Here I inserted the ranges and then on the insert tab in the chart group click the insert water. Now here insert chart group here. Okay. Now I'm going to change the height and weight for this chart funnel. For it 2.5 is our the height and width of this chart is 4 inches. Okay. Add the survey response. Now I'm going to put the chart title. Here is our chart title. Responses. Okay, now I put the chart title. If you need the solution of this exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I always available here to deliver the quality grades. Okay, thank you so much.